Hello, how you doing? This is absolutely gorgeous, this one, and really simple. This is turmeric chicken. Takes no time at all. Beautiful with rice or with bread or with whatever you want, really. So we're going to start off in a pan with some oil. You can use any oil you want. I'm using coconut oil, about 3 tablespoons, and into that I'm going to drop in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them do their thing just for a minute or so. By the way, we're on slightly above medium heat. We're then going to go in with our chicken. I've got a 1 kg chicken, which is 2.2 pound, bone in, skin on, and that's been cut into parts, as you can see. We're going to get some salt in the mix to taste. And like I say, on an above medium heat, not crazy hot, but you know, hot enough. And then we're going to fry this around for about 5 minutes or so. Stir often. Little bit of color on the chicken already there. Nice head start. 1 cup of onion. I've sliced mine. You can dice it if you want. And after about 3 minutes of the onions in there, we're now going to go in with a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. Again, staying on this above medium heat. We're going to go for about 3 minutes. Okay, next up, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 2 teaspoons of turmeric, or turmeric, as some of you call that. Mix that in. Looking absolutely gorgeous. About 2 minutes only there. Then I'm just going to add some water. If you want, you could add some stock if you wanted, something like that. But yeah, I'm just going with cold water. And I've put in there about 400 ml. So we're going to stay on this above medium heat. And we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. How about that? Delicious. It's reduced down somewhat, thickened a little bit. I'm then going to finish that off with some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And you've got yourself a really super delicious, easy turmeric chicken. Beautiful with rice or with some naan bread or roti or something like that. Entirely up to you. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Now, if you do enjoy what you're seeing here, please do take time to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, or leave a comment. See you later.